Whenever we are working with the mixed fractions, we always need to convert your mixed fractions into improper fraction, whether it is addition, whether it is subtraction. So if I have to convert it into improper fraction, what I'll do, I'll multiply it 44, then I will add it here, that is 45 over 4. Then minus 8 into 6, 48, 48 plus 3, 51, 51 over 8. Now the denominators are different. We have to make the denominator same. So we need to find out what is LCM of 4 and 8. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then we'll write on here 1, 2 1s are 1. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. So in that case, I'll write down the fraction here, and then we have to change the denominator to 8. So we will multiply it with 2, we multiply it with 2. Since this is 8, so we are not going to do anything to it. So we'll get here 90 over 8 minus 51 over 8. Now since the denominators are same, we write down the denominator once and then we'll subtract the numerator. So we'll get here 90 minus 51, which is equals to 39 over 8. Now 39 over 8 means 39 divided by 8, because we want to write an answer in the form of a mixed fraction. So we'll divide it. 8 fours are 32. We'll get 7 as a remainder. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. So how to write down? Denominator here, quotient here, and the remainder here. If you will remember this part, then you can easily write down any improper fraction into mixed fraction. So it would be equals to, we'll write down in the denominator place 8, in the place of quotient it is 4, in the place of remainder it is 7. So the fraction is 4, 7 over 8. So this is how we can subtract.